Hello YouTube, it's Peter and Ryan. Here with the ramen review. We're gonna be doing chicken flavors, 95 cents, pretty unhealthy. We have our ramen cup here and 2 forks in it. This chicken flavor has no chicken in it. Here's your fork. So, get to it. Noodle down. Oh. Okay, so here's what
How it burns its flesh.
I wouldn't say chicken flavor.
It doesn't really taste like chicken, but it is good.
It is good. It's kind of like a salty, like a. Sorry. Oh my God, there's a noodle. Here, hold on. Let me have another taste. Switch it around. It's kind of it's not like sweet, but it has almost that sweet, like it's like not chicken at all. We don't really know how to explain this one. It has kind of a maltodextrin hydrolyzed glutamate flavor.
We have no clue what that means.
Tastes like it has soy sauce in it.
Definitely not chicken, but
Dry soy sauce.
definitely good.
Okay, well, we're gonna keep eating this and talk about random stuff. That was like the end of the review, so I'm gonna make a little stop mark. We're gonna keep talking about this for a little bit, okay? Like just while we're eating, because we're awesome.
Okay. Wait, so are we putting this part of it on YouTube?
Yeah.
Or is this part just like us being idiots?
No, we're gonna put it on YouTube. Like we'll like make a little like tags this stop video here. So so like they know like the rest is just us like goofing around, How do we know which one's mine, which fork's mine, and which one's yours?
I wouldn't trust it. Hey, I'm guessing this one.
No, but I think. Okay. Whatever.
Burns.
Shall we get more ice?
No.
So, let's talk about sodium. There's a lot of that.
There is. It doesn't. Oh. 1,060 milligrams of sodium in this.
Quite a bit.
Indeed. 44% of your daily value of salt is in this 1 cup of noodles.
I want to see what this looks like on the camera. Hey.
No. I called it.
Wait, hold on. I think we need to cook our soup a little bit more.
It's foam, so it'll probably burn. I don't think I've ever told you this, but you're a smart person.
What's your favorite flavor? Oh, by the way, we're gonna be doing all the flavors, like including the dreaded lemon lime flavor ramen. Yeah.
It's so dreaded, I've never even heard of it.
It's like they don't even sell it in stores. It's like so bad. Like lemon lime ramen. Like whoa.
It's pretty much just pasta drenched in Mountain Dew.
Like I see that. I see that.
Now that I think that would actually taste kind of good. Mountain Dew noodles.
Like if you cooked it, it kind of be like a wine sauce, like 'cause it had that sweetness, but like not really. You know what I mean?
No.
No. Hey. But like if you cooked it, wouldn't it fizz?
Kind of.
It fizz a little bit. It fizz. It fizz. This video has already been going for like 6 minutes.
You should probably know that he is one of the noisiest ramen eaters I've ever seen.
Oh yeah. I'm known to keep this guy up at night.
Yes, at 2 in the morning I would wake up in the middle of the night to this.
Peter, did you get that gay stripper in here again? Sometimes it's a yes.
Sometimes he would say yes, but I'm enjoying ramen for a bit.
Yeah.
Then after he's done with the ramen, he just kind of goes home. So.
No offense to gay people, we accept you. Stop it.
I mean, my neighbors are gay, and like they're my favorite. Ugh, God. But they're like my favorite neighbors. They're so nice.
Hashtag eating noodles with your hair. Hashtag eating noodles with your hands.
Whose hair that is? Don't know. You kinda don't.
Could it be pubic hair? Most likely. No.
Your head looks like pubic hair.
That's the next large grab. You dropped the purple. Hey.
Don't hit.
Wait. I'm a turkey. Wait, no. Oh, bro.
I'm a turkey. Moo.
Wait, no, watch. I shall not teach you a lesson of the inner peace. My mustache fell off.
This is what happens when you give 2 teenagers a single cup of ramen. 2 teens, 1 cup of ramen.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna toss it up when it's in my shirt. Oh. Okay, now we're gonna drink the broth.
I don't trust if you backwash or not, so I'll just let you drink it.
Can you go get like a...
That's your fault.
You don't want to fling the noodle out my...
That didn't even really make a mess. That was all for you. Go get a paper towel.